Okay, sorry. Good morning. So I had a few sessions and discussions this morning, so stream is a little bit later. But we basically have everything we need now. The only thing that we're gonna add to this, let's see, I'm gonna double check. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make one more change to the SDK. And then, yeah, I don't think this one's necessary. Okay, we're gonna make one more change, and that is during the build of a template, we're gonna handle if it fails. So currently we are, oh, what the hell? Sandbox IDs. So currently we are awaiting all of this stuff, and the thing is that we wanna, so what can happen here is that something goes wrong. How are we going to do this? The point is that when you build a template, something can go wrong related to actually creating the snapshot, which is basically this restart, waiting for setup part of it. So how are we going to do this? Well, what we want to allow you to do is that if any of those error, we're still going to allow you to manually visit them and verify that they work. And if they work, you can like hit enter. It's going to hibernate them and create a template ID for you. I'm just very curious at what point we should do this. Because this, yeah, here it throws the error. Maybe we could just do, no, because we need the IDs first. So this is a tricky thing now, is that we're kind of iterating the clusters and we're like creating the sandbox. But I think we should do that first so that we have the IDs and then we can rather, how are we gonna do this? Maybe we should rather throw, yeah, I think we should throw a special array here because we do, so we do have down here, yeah, that's what I think we should do. So I think we should throw like a special error, and that error is going to include the sandbox ID. No, that's not going to help. Yeah, no. No, that doesn't make sense because, oh, for fuck's sake. No, we want to know the sandbox IDs first. And then we want to go and do something about them. Okay, let's see. So first we need sandbox IDs. And if that fails, like nothing works, right? So we're going to await promise.all. But it's also going to be, yeah, but we can grab the cluster from using the index. Yeah, okay. So we're going to do promise all clusters map. And then we're going to grab, let's see, we're just going to copy this first thing. Let's just copy this. And wait, what did we do? There we go. So we're not going to try anything. Okay. Catch error. So we're gonna do the same thing here as we do down here. Where are you at? Spinner fail, throw error. Okay, and then we're not gonna wait. We're just gonna await sandbox IDs, and then we're gonna get host cluster equals clusters index instead. Yeah. And then we're gonna have the actual sandbox ID in there. So we don't need this part anymore. Wait, didn't I say sandbox ID? Or are you saying... Oh, was it because it was... Oh, sorry. Okay, I think we can just do this. Why don't you have a sandbox ID? Oh, sorry. Hello. You have one up here. Oh, void. Okay, sorry. Sandbox ID. We need to return the sandbox ID. There we go. Okay, so now we are first... Okay, we don't need a SDK here. But we need a cluster. Oh, do we have errors here? Messed up. There we go. Let's see. Oh, we need file paths. Okay, so we need some more stuff here. What's the slug? Where did you get the slug from? Oh, it's something we only had there. Okay, fine. I don't think we need that thing. We just do CodeSandbox ID. Okay, this is moving a bit slow, but we also need the file paths. So we need sandbox ID and file paths. Oh, we don't actually have the... Okay, there's no spinner error here. It's just going to throw an error. That's fine. Okay, so we don't actually need a try catch here. Wait, can that be undefined? Spinner. Yeah, unknown error occurred. Okay, that's fine. So what we're going to do now, we're going to return the file paths as well. And then we're going to say down here, we're going to get the and file paths. And then oh yeah, let's see, sandboxes, and then sandboxes map sandbox. Cool. So now we have that in place. So that means we're gonna do I think we're gonna do all settled. Result. Well, results. So if any of these has an issue, we're gonna tell you that you can manually go and fix it. So let's see. Failed sandboxes. Okay, so I kind of want to know what I want to know. Do I just want to know if any of them failed? What you can see, yeah. If failed sandboxes, let's just do has failed sandboxes. Any, wait, some. So no, we're not gonna exit. We're gonna, how do we, how do I pause the, let's ask. Yeah, we had an incident. Yeah, that's why I dropped off the stream yesterday. We had an incident, but it's all under control now. It's a bit scary to, like, your service is infrastructure and reliability becomes a big thing. Interesting. Let's see, I'm just keeping on top of my messages. Okay, nice. Okay, what are we gonna add? I have a CLI running a command, and I want to halt and only continue. I have a CLI running a command in Node, and I want to halt and only continue when the user hits enter, or they can exit the process. Yeah, I guess that's a given. How do I do that? I have some chocolate leftovers. Oh, we do have read line. Okay. Are we using read line here? No. Okay, but let's try it. Import something like that. Okay, thank you. Press let's see. There was an issue preparing preparing the sandboxes. Please manually yeah, the thing I'm worrying about is that if it fails, yeah, you know what we're gonna do? Spinner. Yeah, we're gonna add, yeah, let's see. Failed to prepare sandbox. Please wait to for manual verification. Yeah, and then we're gonna do plus. Yeah, let's do this and then plus this. Failed to prepare sandbox. Please wait for manual verification. Yeah, exactly. And then please manually verify failed sandboxes. By opening them. Well, we could even list the yeah. We could even list them. So but that means we how do we do this? Because we wanna oh, maybe we can even do it here. Please. Yeah, of course. Please manually verify at and then we're gonna add the sandbox ID. Yeah, exactly. Failed to prepare sandbox. Please manually verify at HTTPS CodeSandbox.io sandbox ID. Yes. Please manually verify, because then you can verify it while you're waiting for the others to prep, which is a good thing. And then press enter to continue. Let's see, fail sandboxes. Like the thing is, I have to know the index of the thing that how do I most efficiently do that? So I guess, okay. Oh, sorry. So we want sandboxes.filter. Yeah, exactly. And then we get the sandbox ID, and then we have the index, and then we're gonna, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we don't even need this thing. We just need the index. And now this is gonna be failed sandboxes, and then we have the sandbox ID there. So failed sandboxes.length, and then why did I want that? Press enter, verify. Why did I want the sandbox ID there? I guess verify. And press enter. Please verify CodeSandbox is join. And press enter. And to continue, and press enter to create snapshot. User has hit enter, fine. Why do we have spinner? Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna change this. So we're not gonna do. So that will be. Oh, we don't really. Oh, we're actually returning the sandbox ID here. But if it failed, we don't do that. Yeah, we don't need to return anything. What we're rather gonna do, we're gonna actually set that spinner specifically. Oh. Wait. Oh, don't we have... Oh, for fuck's sake. Update spinner message. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry, I remember. We only have one else. So this is gonna be spinner dot, I guess, error. No, fail. Do they have like something that's not fail, but like, yeah, info? It doesn't fail in that sense. And press enter to create snapshot. Yeah, and then what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna okay. Oh, yeah, this is creating a lot of complexity. So await promise.all. Sandbox ID. Let's see. And then we have to, oh my God. Oh, this was more difficult to design than I thought. Because now we don't have... Okay, I guess what we want to do is just run this again. But now we're basing this on sandboxes and we're using the index to grab the cluster. But we can't do that anymore. I think we need to return that. So this would be cluster. And then we do cluster. Let's see. But if it failed, oh, for fuck's sake. This is so tricky. This is super, super tricky. Because now we're down here and we want to run partial of the flow again. We want to do the hibernation. Well, we just want to do the hibernation. Maybe we can get away with it. Yeah, because we're not waiting for the port or anything. Yeah, no, I think we're gonna be fine. We just want to wait for hibernation. Yeah, it's the last part. That's fine. yeah, we don't need a spinner or anything for that. Where is the failed? But yeah, we do have to set up the. We do have to no, we don't even have to connect to it, but we do have to set up the. I don't think we need this. Did I new CodeSandbox? Oh, we do need a cluster. Fuck. How do we get the cluster? Oh, we do have the cluster there. Oh yeah, of course we do. Okay, sorry. Yeah, exactly. Oh, this is my bending. Okay, so now we have the SDK and we can do return sandboxes, hibernate, sandbox ID. Now the thing is, it might fail. Yeah, but that doesn't really matter. Like it might even fail before. No, I think, yeah. So there's a chance it fails during writing the files, but it's very, very unlikely. Yeah, so it's kind of like it should really ultimately fail when it can't. What are we actually protecting against here? Oh, yeah, but it's pretty good. Like there can be a situation where it's like not able to write the files. Where it doesn't really help. But then again, when you verify that sandbox, you're going to see that it's missing all its files, and then you're going to just abort it. And that shouldn't happen, but just in case it did happen. Okay. So we're hibernating all of them. And when that's done, everything's fine. We can do this again. And then we're going to create the actual tag. You might have an alias, and then we're happy. Okay, cool. Let's test it. So let's first of all check if we can just oh, where's the thing? I think we can just use, well, we do have template here. Then we have a test template. Yeah. So dist bin CodeSandbox mjs build ./test template. So I'm just gonna check that this actually works. Oh. And then we're gonna try to make one of them fail. So like if index 3, we're gonna throw an error. And then we're gonna kind of test the flow. Why is that one so slow? Okay. Cool. So what we're going to do now is so let's imagine after it restarts, we're going to throw, well, if index equals 3. What the fuck? And let's build it, and then we're going to try it again. And then we're going to see what the experience is like. So this is going to be improved a great deal. Like the end game of this is that we're not even doing any of this. It's like you just upload some built thing to the server, and then the server will distribute it to all the clusters. Yeah, failed to. Oh, interesting. Oh, why did it? Oh, interesting. Why did it go to? Fail. Oh, that shouldn't be. Yeah, no, this should just be update spinner message. Okay, that was wrong. And then we have this link. Oh, look, it has a space. What happened there? Oh. What the fuck? Okay, that's also wrong. What the fuck happened there? Wait, what's happening here? Why does it have a space? Sandbox. Oh, it does have a space. Okay, cool. Failed to prepare. Failed. Failed. Please manually verify at. Yeah, I'm not sure if this error helps us. This is something we would kind of put into the. Let's just drop it for now. Like this shouldn't normally happen. But why didn't it actually? Because it threw an error. This didn't work, did it? Oh. Okay, sorry. This is my bad. Wait, wow, what is this? Why? Doing something. Waiting. Yeah, this is the mess. Yeah. Okay, I'm not sure why I got so bad help with this, but let's just await new promise resolve. Oops. I'm gonna try again. Resolve. Yeah, let's actually do that. Await, wait for enter. Let's call that function wait for enter message. Oh. Message. Wait for enter. Okay. Okay, let's try again. npm run build. We have to remember to remove the manual throwing. Okay, cool. Let's see how it looks now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait, do we have... Wait, what happened? No, it's fine now, right? Wait, it didn't do something weird, didn't it? Spinner. Oh. Yeah, it's not enough to just spinner start. Okay. Sorry. My bad. Yeah. Okay, cool. I think it's kind of weird though. How did it put in the fail? Please manually verify without... Oh, it's supposed because something else updated. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. There was an issue preparing the sandboxes. Verify. Okay, so let's do that. Oh. Oh, it's S. Let me just... where was it? Okay. Yeah, it looks good to me. Everything's fine. Leave site. And then... Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. So we're gonna update spinner message. Let's see. The sad thing is that it runs again, right? It creates a new list. It would be kind of nice if it just updated the existing one, but it can't do that because we're adding this thing. But I think it's fine. So that what we're gonna do here is await. Let's make that async. And then we're gonna, so the index here needs to be, yeah, how are we gonna find the index? So that would be sandboxes find index of, yeah, and then we say snapshot created. And then that's fine. It's not actually updating the thing. It's like updating the actual messaging behind the scenes. And then when it's done, it's gonna show the full thing. The sad thing is that maybe we, yeah, okay. Enter to create snap. Okay. You know what we're gonna do instead? Yeah. So, oh my God. So we're gonna go through the failed sandboxes for each. Then we're gonna have sandbox ID. Okay, so we're gonna go through. So when you hit enter, we're gonna shove in, by the way, we're gonna have -n. So when you hit enter, we're gonna show the full list again as spinner start. So we're updating anyone. Yeah, sorry. So this should be creating snapshot. And then yeah, let's see. Snapshot created, and this is going to be a spinner.start. That's fine. And then finally it succeed. And then we create the thingy. Okay, I think this is good. So we're going through each sandbox, we're updating back to creating snapshot because we already have that message, right? Yeah. No. What do we call it? Waiting for, oh, creating memory snapshot. Let's call it creating snapshot. Cool. Yes, I think this is going to be better. Let's try again. We got Git remote helper stuff deployed to staging, so we need to test that. Let's see. Okay, failed. Let's open it. Yeah, interesting. So now we're in the... Yeah, whatever. Cool. Just waiting for the last one. There was an issue preparing the samples. Verify and press enter to create snapshot. Nice. Nice. Perfect. If index equals... Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Boop. Okay, great. This is what we needed. So we should deploy a new, not deploy, but... Well, we need to test, let's see, I got a, where is it? Where was, wasn't there a conversation with me and Georgie and Fernando? Where did it go? Oh, maybe it was a thread. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, let's just publish this for now, because we should not really be doing any changes to the Git stuff, but git commit recover building templates, git push, and then this thing has a version of, so I guess we want RC4. So we're gonna npm publish tag RC. Let's see. 5943. There we go. Okay, so everything's prepped here now, and what we need to do is basically wait for an answer on the thingy. What the hell is this? Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna take a quick look through my list of things. Allow hours. Fine. Yeah, I think I want to work on the docs. I'm a little bit, I had the man flu over the weekend, and then I felt super great yesterday, but after dinner I just crashed again, and now I have a sore throat and everything. Yeah, it would be fun to test the Git stuff though on the stream, but we can't just sit here and wait for that. I think I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna take a small break, and then I'm gonna write some documentation, and I'm gonna inform our users about the yeah, the damn man flu. But yeah, I'm gonna write some documentation, and then I'm gonna get that Git thing tested, and we're gonna publish that RC version. Sorry, not publish, but inform about that RC version. And then we're done with the SDK. Then we have an SDK that actually works. and ready for release. And yeah, there's gonna be some more stuff related to alias, but it's not like, it doesn't have to be there. Like, we have the core functionality of aliases, so that's fine. Yeah, let's just do a check tomorrow where we're at and what we should focus on. Yeah, it's funny how things seem so overwhelming, and then suddenly a lot of things is fixed, and then it's like, oh shit, what should I do now? Okay, I think that's it for sure. Yeah, okay, sorry. We'll have to speak tomorrow. Maybe we'll have time to do like a state management stream tomorrow morning. That would be nice, because I wasn't able to do it during the weekend. So we can wrap up that debugger or the dev tool for React X. Yeah, cool. Bye for now.